So here's the inside. There's some wheel right here. It should be spinning. It will spin like this, right? Let me just focus it. Oh, okay. I think I understand how it works. Oh, cool. Give me the plate. Give it to me. Right now. Give it to me. Right now. Is this right?
Uy, saan gibuhat? Ibutang lang.
Or balik?
Tama na, ibutang lang. Bali, bali ay.
But it's not.
Oh, sige, bali ha.
It doesn't work. Oh my god, it's stressing me out. Oh, okay. I need to make it like that. Okay. Alright. I think we're good. Look. We're good. Look, we're good. Wait. There's some stuff written in here. Is this time? Microwave. We got quick defrost. Is it touchscreen?
Ayaw lagi pag-ingana kung wala pa na sirado.
Shut up, please. Wait. Turn it off. Turn it off. How to turn it off? Got quick defrost, home dessert, auto cook, keep warm, deodorization. Deodorization? What does it mean? What does it mean? There's some written in here. Quick defrost, home dessert, and then auto cook. Oh. We got meat, poultry, fish, frozen veggies, walnut, banana, sponge cake, brownie, egg. What is this? Oh. What is this? Ready meal, chilled, veggie, broccoli, green beans, and then spinach, corn, grilled potatoes, brown rice. Brown rice? Okay. I think it's all good. Alright. See you in a minute. Let me get some food and let's try this Samsung microwave. Oh yeah.